Hi, my name is Emma, and today we are going to look at some very useful email expressions. So we're going to look at 5 in total, and these email expressions can be used in formal email writing. So I've had a lot of students in the past tell me that they spend hours writing very simple short emails. These expressions will help you to improve your email writing and to write emails a lot quicker. So let's get started. Okay, so our first expression, very common, please find attached. Okay, please find attached. So what do I mean by attached? So in this case, attached is a verb, but an attachment, which is the same thing but in the noun form, is an added computer file. So it's a computer file we add to an email. So what are some examples of attachments? Well, please find attached my resume. This may be an added computer file. Please find attached photos from the conference. So it's a very simple phrase. It's very polite. Notice we have please. Please find attached, and then you just fill in the blank with the computer file you're adding to the email. Okay, so that's our first expression. Now let's look at our second expression. I've forwarded blank to you. Or, alternatively, we can also say, I'm forwarding something to you. So first of all, what do I mean by forward? Okay, well, a forward, forwarding is a verb, but it can also be a noun, as in forward. So a forward is when you get an email and you decide you want to resend the email to someone else. So you forward it to them. So again, it's when you want to resend an email and you send it to a different email address. So that's a forward. So what can I forward? Well, we've used resume already. We can use it again. I forwarded, maybe you're forwarding someone else's resume. You could say, Bill's resume to you. I'm forwarding John's email. Maybe there was a good email he sent, so you want to forward it to someone else, to you. So that covers forwarding. Okay, now let's look at some more expressions. Okay, so expression number 3. I've CC'd or copied, and then you write the name of the person on this email. So what does this mean? Well, sometimes maybe you've written an email to someone, but you want someone else to see what you've written. So the email isn't directed to this person. You just want them to know what's going on. So you might CC them or copy them. Okay, so there are 3 different ways to write this. Remember, in business writing and informal writing for emails, we really want emails to be short and to the point. We want them to be concise. So that's why you may see CC'd, not as a word, but just with an apostrophe D, meaning in the past participle, CC'd or copied. All of these are correct to use. So I could say, I've CC'd Omer on this email, meaning the email goes to someone, but Omar can also see the email too. So the email isn't directed to Omar, he can just see it too. So why might we CC someone? Well, to keep a person, so someone, in the loop. So this is another common expression you may hear. When you keep someone in the loop, it means you want them to know what is going on. So you keep them in the loop, meaning now they know what is happening. Okay? Expression number 4. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. So first of all, what does hesitate mean? This might be a word you don't know. It means to wait. So this can also sound like, if you have any questions, please don't wait to contact me. Hesitate is, of course, more formal, and it's the one that is commonly used. So this is a great way to actually end an email. Towards the end, before you say sincerely or kind regards, Vanessa or Emma or Omar or John, this is a good thing to write before the very end of the email. So here's the 5th expression. I look forward to, and then we have different options. So before I get to those options, I look forward to. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means this is what you want the other person to do, and you're saying it in a polite way. So I look forward to hearing from you. You want the other person to contact you. I look forward to hearing from you. And notice we use verb in the ing form. Another thing we could say, I look forward to meeting you. Okay, so this is the action that's going to happen next. And I'm excited about it. I'm looking forward to it. I could also, instead of using a verb ing, there are so many different variations of this. I could say, I look forward to your reply. Meaning, I'm waiting for your reply. I'm excited to get your reply, although it's not that strong. Okay, so this again usually comes towards the end of the email, and it's just telling the person what action you're waiting for. Okay, and now how do we sign off on the email after that? Well, there are many ways to sign off on an email. A common way is kind regards, or just regards. So I could say kind regards, and underneath that write Emma. Regards, underneath Emma. Warm wishes. Yours truly. Again, these are just some suggestions. There are many different ways you can end an email and write your name underneath. Okay? So I look forward to reading your comments and hearing about your opinions. And so until next time, well, until next time actually, you can also practice these expressions on our website, www.ingvid.com. We have a quiz there where you can practice this vocabulary and make sure that you understand it to the fullest. So until next time, take care.